Welcome again to Links of Love 7 TV. Let's talk. We have seen weddings held in the most unique places and some not so unique. We have seen it by the shore, we have seen it underneath water, we have seen it on yachts, we have seen it in church. But have you ever seen a wedding within a demonstration? Hi again and welcome to Links of Love 7 TV. Let's talk. Well, a Jamaican has created history by doing this. We're about now to discuss that on the program. We'll be right back after this break. Stay tuned for this to come on the program. Please remember, like, share, subscribe to the channel as well so you're notified whenever we post new videos. Welcome back and thanks for joining us. Jamaicans are known for their craft, their uniqueness, and just the style of the way they do things. But this is very unique in a sense that a Jamaican decided to wed during the Black Lives Matters protests in the United States, and this has gone viral on social media. And we're about now to discuss that on the program right here on Links of Love 7 TV. Is not many time you will see situation of these playing out on social media or even in this was like a planned situation, and this has garnered the attention of many international media right across the world. So Jamaicans are known for creating a surprising moment and one that is lasting within the minds of many, and it's a unique one that played out in the United States after a medical doctor, Kerry-Anne Perkins, did this in the United States. We're about now to divulge the details of this with you right here on Links 007 TV. So, medical doctor Kerry-Anne Perkins and her husband Michael Gordon tied a knot, satisfying their love for each other in Philadelphia on the weekend. It's an increased scenario how this one played out, and this took place at the Black Lives Matters protest, which was passed on by photographs outside the town, and also during the protest itself, as both African American Caucasian descent cheered on the couple, according to media reports. Perkins, whose Instagram account described her repping the parish of St. Catherine and also Clarendon in Jamaica, then shared a short, powerful kiss with her husband in the street outside the hotel to the much fanfare of the Black Lives Matters protest that was going on. A 7-second video, I should say, also posted online, showed the two of them enjoying their love and the sharing that love and camaraderie with each other online. The video, which is viewed by more than 3.7 million, was tweeted over 32,000 times, and on Saturday it garnered over 2,288 comments and garnered 190,000 likes on different social media platforms. The Black Lives Matter movement organizers have stated that following the death of the American George Floyd, who died by the Minneapolis police while on a check, was also one of the most publicized events to date in the United States. And despite the cop being arrested and charged for the whole entire situation, it's very sad what transpired, and the people are just trying their best to see how well justice can be served for what transpired here. But the Jamaicans, I should say, have joined the global movement with a peaceful protest being staged outside the United States Embassy and also in St. Andrew on Saturday in Jamaica that took place. And following media reports, this has garnered so much fanfare right across based on the fact that this individual is a Jamaican, and many people are of the opinion that this was just one of a romantic moment being played out. Overall, the Jamaican doctor and her husband may have been ink their name in history right now for the years to come and show their love during this modern civilization of the movement of the Black Lives Matters gonna say concert, but I mean protest for equality and justice for black. It is therefore no surprise that the couple later joined the protesters in marching to City Hall in Philadelphia to a news outlet just in order to share their love with each other. So a Jamaican doctor wed within a protest. Wow, what a situation coming outside of the United States. And they actually joined the march just in order to let their voice be heard for the justice of George Floyd. And this situation, we have seen it, and we have seen how it played out with George Floyd. And we just want to leave it in the comment section. How do you feel about the situation? Would you wed within the midst of a protest, especially one such that is going on right now? So right now we're about to examine the video that created history in the United States. Let's go over to that video now. As you could hear those cheers coming from the background, it's so nice and romantic to see a Jamaican wedding inside the midst of a protest. This has created history. This has gone down in history. It's the first time, especially in the United States, that such a thing has happened, and it's one that has edged on the minds of many, and one that will have a lasting effect based on what transpired in the United States as it relates to the George Floyd situation. But these two showed their love within the protest, and it said that they later joined the protest and marched to City Hall in the United States along to the cheer of the large crowd that gathered to share in this romantic moment with this couple. It's one that has created history, and it's one that will forever be one that will forever edge on the minds of different individuals from different race, sex, and class based on what transpired here. And it's not unique that it was a Jamaican, because you know Jamaicans are always the one that tried to be as creative as much as possible, and it has played out once more right here in the United States during the midst of a pro. This has been Links of 7 TV. Let's talk, and thanks for joining us for the program, and just thanks for taking the time out just in order to watch our video. All right, so stay tuned for more to come on the program. This is Links of 7 TV. Let's talk, and we're out for now. Have a blessed and productive day once more.